Good morning to all. Today we are discussing about cybercrime and the topic is instant messaging.
Chintu was very active in sports and used to play football regularly in the school ground.
One fine morning, after football training was over, he was waiting at the bus stop.
Suddenly, a man came up and started talking to him. The man asked him if his name was Chintu, and he answered yes, and Chintu asked him.
How come you know my name?
The man replied,
Aren't you the same Chintu from the team and you are about to go to the training camps in 2 weeks?
Chintu was puzzled, but he started discussing about football with the man.
After a short time, the man got very close and suddenly started asking his mobile number and personal information.
Luckily, his bus arrived.
Chintu went to the boat, the bus. The stranger ran away, seeing the bus.
His parents were worried, and Chintu explained them what happened. While talking, he also remembered that few days back he has been chatting with another boy who was also interested in sports.
They have been discussing about football and had touch with each other with clubs. They played. They wanted to know what each other looked like so they might be able to recognize each other at the camp.
Together, Chintu and his parents realized that the chat session must have been the reason that the man was at the bus stop. They reported the offense to police, who were able to find the man with the help of chat provider. Later, the man was arrested and charged.
Tips.
Tips: be careful who you trust online and remember that online friends are really strangers.
People online, no matter how long you have been talking to them or how friendly they are, may not be who they say they are.
Stay in charge in chat. Keep your personal information secret when chatting online. Name, address, phone number, mobile number, private email address, and pictures, even if people ask for this.
Tell your parents if someone or something makes you feel uncomfortable or worried.
Yes, thank you, Amrita and Tanya. So, from this, we have understood that whatever we are messaging, now we don't know who is on the other side. Maybe with a false identity, someone else is trying to get information from you. So they know your weakness, like you are good in football, you love sports. Now they can introduce themselves that they are also a sports person, and they will try to get information. So never share your personal information with them. As well as if any stranger tries to contact with you, you have to report to your parents, to your elders. And already we have discussed here that www.cybercrime.gov.in is the site where we can register our financial complaints. Suppose any bank frauds or anybody is trying to take your personal information about the bank, so those we can complain with the phone numbers of that person who is trying to contact with you. So all these security measures we have to take. Thank you.